Good morning, everybody. Today we will make a revision about chapter 1, unit 1, lesson 1. As we said before, the type of questions we will study it multiple choice question and essay question. The first question, science which is interested in studying the conversion of liquid water to water vapor. Science, branch of science, interested in studying conversion of liquid water to water vapor and vice versa. In order to preserve the equilibrium in nature is good. Physical chemistry, the science which interested in change substance from state to another state. Physical chemistry. Number two, urea NH2 4 power 2 CO react with oxygen gas O2. Chemical reaction takes place between oxygen gas and urea to form carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen gas, and water. The total volume of the produced pressure is larger than the reactant volume under the same condition. Was science which is interested in studying this kind of reaction? Again, the chemical reaction takes place between urea and oxygen gas to produce carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water. The total volume of the produced pressure is larger than the reactant volume under the same condition. Was science which interested? The science which interested this equation, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry. Number three, the Oz figure represents a human circulatory system. This figure illustrates some sort of combination between, as we shown in the figure, circulatory system means medicine. Medicine. Against the gravity, this means F branch of physics. So the relation chemistry, medicine, and physics. Chemistry, medicine, and physics. Again, all this figure represents the human circulatory system. The human circulatory system branch of biology or medicine. And against the gravity, this means that physics. Number four, the following table shows the food component in 4 meals. The mass of each meal is 100 grams. Meal protein 8.8, fat 7.5, carbohydrates 62.5, sugar 3.1, fiber 18.1. The meal B, protein 12 grams, fats 2.5 grams, carbohydrate 48, sugar 12.3, fiber 25.2. Protein 13, fat 6.5. So, which of these meals cause more weight gain when eaten a lot? The meal which cause increase in the weight, the meal which contain large amount or large mass of fat and carbohydrate. And this fat and carbohydrate, we see it in choice number or letter A. So, which means cause more weight gain when eaten a lot? A. Number 5, which is the following direct figure represent the percent of nutritional component in milk? Starch, protein, starch, sugar, protein, fat, which is the following graph figure represent the percent of nutritional component in milk. Or this question related to biology, and I will leave this question to answer. Number 6. The following table shows the daily average of the average of different components of meal which are obtained by the individual A, B, C, and D. Nutritional component in the meal carbohydrate meal A, carbohydrate 519, protein 350, fat 110, calcium 2, iron 15, vitamin C 95, and so on, B, C, D. Which of these individuals suffer from anemia? The person which suffer from anemia, the person who the person who the person has less number of milligram of iron. The less number of milligram of iron, the choice B, 4 milligram. So the answer D. Which was individual suffer from anemia? D. Measuring tools is also figure mixture of sand and water was poured in funnel containing filter paper. To measure the volume of water in the mixture, which of the following tool can be used instead of beaker to measure the volume of water accurately? As we explained before, as we explained before, the tool which used to measure the volume accurately, graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder. Conical flask used to measure titration, conical flask. Volumetric flask used to preparation standard solution, round bottom used in preparation and distillation. So the tool which used to measure the volume of liquid accurately, graduate cylinder. 8. What's the volume of liquid in the graduated cylinder, which is illustrated in the opposite figure? What is the volume of liquid in the graduated cylinder, which is illustrated in the opposite figure? 5.7. Good. 5.7. Because we take the reading under the curve of water. Two identical poles were placed in water. Two identical poles were placed in water. What is present in the graduate cylinder figure A? So the surface of water is elevated and in figure B. So it's elevated by 5 milli, 40 to 45. And the beaker contains two similar poles. The volume of the two ball, the volume of the two ball, 5 cubic centimeter. So H1 contain 2.5 cubic centimeter. So the answer A. Number 10, on moving the ball from the graduated cylinder A to the graduated cylinder B. We move the ball from graduated cylinder A to graduated cylinder B. The volume of water which is present in the cylinder A decreased by 10 milli. The volume in this cylinder decreased by 10 because we move the ball from graduated cylinder A to graduated cylinder B, so the volume decrease. Was increasing the ingredient of the volume of water in cylinder B. From the two graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder A smaller than graduated cylinder B, but both of them or the mass and the volume of both doesn't change. So if the volume of graduated cylinder A decreased by 10, the graduated cylinder B increased by 10 milli. because the volume of ball doesn't change. 11. The opposite figure represents section in each of burette and graduate cylinder. Burette and graduated cylinder. As we know that the graduation of burette from up to down, but in graduate cylinder from down to up. So the tool at left graduate cylinder from up to down, 27, 28. So it represents the burette and the other represents the graduate cylinder. Choice. Oh, which of the following choice represents the correct reading? Burette reading, as you said, the burette reading. No, for 27.8. 27.8 and gross cylinder 42, 40, 44. The choice B. Number 12 was the tool used in degrading potassium hydroxide solution to be used in determination of the concentration of sulfuric acid. What is the tool used in preparing potassium hydroxide? The tool which used in preparing and distillation, round bottom flask. Which one to use in the determination of the concentration? Oh, round bottom flask, preparation and distillation. Number 13, the following figure show four measuring tools. Four measuring tools. A. Choice A. Tool 1, urate. 16 cubic centimeter of an acid required to be added to an alkali in titration. Tool B. 1 cubic centimeter of an acid required to be added to calcium carbonate. Choice C. 75 cubic centimeter of gas produced from thermal decomposition reaction. D. 20 cubic centimeter of alkali required to be added to an acid in titration. No, the answer or the right answer, the choice A, 16 cubic centimeter of acid required to be added to an alkali in titration because one, it's pure, it used in titration. Tool X used in transferring to different solution to the tool Y. X to tool Y, which contain two other different solutions. It is formed in one of them but not in the other. What do you think about the property of the solution which are transferred by the tool X? The property of the solution which are transferred by the tool X is not if it is to transfer within the solution. So the choice may be A, C, or D. Utility of the tool Y, measuring the volume of solution, mixing the solution. Y, mixing the solution. So the answer choice 15. Student want to perform an experiment to measure the time of dissolving 2 gram. Time. Measure the time. So, watch must use to dissolve 2 gram of magnesium compared to 2 gram sensitive balance must be used in 100 ml hydrochloric acid graduate cylinder. What required so stopwatch graduate cylinder sensitive balance? 16. picture covers the scale of mercury thermometer test. The ability of student to measure the boiling point of a known liquid. What the correct choice which represents the boiling point of that liquid, knowing that its boiling point is lower than that of water. So the answer C and D wrong, because answer C and D greater than 100, and he said that the boiling point of a known liquid less than boiling point of water. So the answer may be A or B. Oh, the answer A, because the answer the answer 75.5, because the graduation or the mercury greater than the half 25 different solutions are tested with pH paper tape. They are colored with the color illustrated in the opposite table. What the beer of the acidic solution? The beer of acidic solution A and B, because acidic solution pH less than 7. Thank you very much. I hope to understand and uh, study these questions again. Thank you very much. Goodbye and good luck.